Right, UPR Plug and Play catch cans. This is part number 5028-122. Available in anodized black or a really nice satin silver finish. They are both 4.5 inches tall by 2.25 inches wide. The cup easily unscrews for draining. Multi-level coalescing filters inside. Billet brackets. And of course UPR's exclusive plug and play fittings. Simply snaps on to your catch can and then snaps on to your F-150 truck. These will fit 11 through 22 F-150s. Includes the top clockable bracket and the Allen screws to mount your catch can. Again, satin silver or anodized black, available for F-150s. Just in time of drain.